Are you looking for the best portable closets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best portable closets that are available on the market.
If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Whitmor Extra Wide Clothes Closet. This all-white portable clothes closet may blind you when the light hits it. Once you are past the bright glare, you get a 60-inch wide closet to hold your clothes. Its 64 by 19-inch other dimensions make sure you have lots of space to fill. In addition to that, the plastic feet protect your floors and help keep this freestanding closet stable. 9 feet make sure there is no wobble once you use this closet. On top of that, it will hold about 50 pounds of clothes for you. Moving on at number 4, we have the Whitmor Clothes Closet. This stylish and good-looking clothes closet comes with nice protective feet. You can place this portable closet anywhere and not worry about damaging your floors. In addition to that feature, the breathable fabric helps keep clothes fresh. Measuring about 64 by 36 by 20 inches in size, you can get a lot of your clothes inside. The zipper closure makes sure what you put inside stays inside. On top of all that, this portable closet can stand in a small corner without clashing with your room's decor. At number 3, we have the SONGMICS 59-inch portable clothes closet. You cannot complain about a lack of shelf space when you assemble this closet. Once you get it home and put together, you will have about 12 shelves to store sweaters, gloves and much more. Each of the 3 compartments comes with its own zippered door. After you put the metal rods into the plastic connectors, this portable closet should stand 69 by 59 by 18 inches in size. The waterproof construction fabric goes the extra mile to keep your clothes free from mold and mildew. Dust is kept outside as well. At number 2, we have the Amazon Basics Garment Hanging Rolling Rack. Wheels help. The tough caster wheels on this portable closet let you move your clothes from room to room with ease. On top of that, you get very sturdy clothes to rack to hang your unneeded jackets, etc. Then this chrome-plated garment rack goes together in about 15 minutes. No tools are needed to assemble this unit. The closet measures about 70 by 35 by 17 inches in size. You should have more than enough room and lots of mobility when you choose this closet for your clothes and accessories. And finally at number 1, we have the simple Houseware clothing garment rack. Move this portable and mobile clothes rack wherever you want it. Its strong caster wheels hold a lot of weight, then transport your clothes to where you want them without complaint. On top of that, the top bar extends another 14 inches approximately. Not only do you get that extra space, but you also get enough space to hang a lot of clothing. On this 40 by 16 by 62 inch portable clothes closet. Then when you do not need it, it folds up nice and small for easy storage. Unfolds nice and easy as well.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.